Hey everybody out there, I just wanted to say hello and tell you one of the projects that I'm working on right now, something that I'm looking forward to sharing with you guys on YouTube. Been researching the history of Zambia, and so I'm working on a video so that you guys can learn more about the history of Zambia, the people of the land, the different tribes that were in Zambia at different times, and how the people of Zambia have come to be, going all the way through independence in 1964 on until we'll even go up to 2000. So we'll go all the way back from ancient Zambia to 2000. Something I'm working on right now, hoping to get this out to you guys in the next few weeks or so. Enjoy it when it comes, but hang with me until I get it done. The other thing looking forward to is a video about the Bantu migration, the people that moved from where present-day Nigeria is down into where Zambia is now. This people group, the Bantu, it's kind of a parent language or mother tongue for a lot of the languages in Africa. So there's a lot of similarities, a lot of overlap, but the Bantu people came down, and you kind of want to learn and dig in a little bit more and see how Nyanja, this language, has come to be. So that is what I'm working on coming up, and then maybe doing some interviews with some Zambian people coming up soon, so stick around. Thanks for hanging with me. Zikomo kwambiri, natotera sana, and I just really appreciate everybody out there. Usare mushe.